Hello everyone. Well, are y'all ready? As y'all can see, I've already kind of finished the wreath, but I'm going to go ahead and go step by step with y'all. That way y'all can know everything that I done. If y'all saw part 1, y'all saw where I got all the supplies. So this pumpkin that I had gotten from Michael's is made out of foam. So I went ahead and I inserted 2 little holes in the back, and then I put a zip tie on the back and connected it to the grapevine. And then you can also put some more glue on the bottom if you want to secure it a little bit more. Then I went ahead and I made my bow. And as you can see, it's a pretty large bow. And I went ahead and put it to the side. I also used the zip ties for that. And I went ahead and I put all my leaves on the bottom, on both sides of the bottom of the pumpkin. And then I went ahead and put these flowers. And then I put my sunflowers over here. I super glued them all to the grapevine, and my wreath is all done. It was really simple to do. If y'all have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And remember that I will be doing wreaths and Christmas wreaths this winter. So if y'all don't want to put it together, y'all can always reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help y'all. Once again, thank you for watching my videos.